Welcome to the 3ds Max for Architecture and Interior Design Master Course. This course is designed by the IIT Patna Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation to help you master industry workflows, advanced lighting simulations, and professional rendering for real-world projects. Admissions are open for 2026. Contact us or visit our website for more information. This master course utilizes the industry standard Autodesk 3ds Max 2026. The program takes you from a beginner to a professional 3D visualizer, transforming your creative vision into photorealistic architecture and interiors. You will gain real project exposure and master workflows used by top architecture firms. Why learn 3ds Max for 𝐓𝐿? It is the #1 software choice globally, offering superior polygonal modeling and seamless integration with V-Ray and Corona Renderer for photoreal results. The high market demand means strong career opportunities and high earning potential. You will create client-ready marketing collateral. The course roadmap has 3 tracks: Foundation, Intermediate, and Advanced Professional. This journey can take you from a junior visualizer to a creative head. Key projects include an interior room and a modern villa, culminating in a professional portfolio. The Foundation track focuses on 3D modeling basics. You will establish a rock-solid foundation by learning interface navigation, essential modeling tools like editable poly, and architectural basics. The module project involves modeling a precise interior shell setup based on CAD drawings. The intermediate track covers interior and exterior visualization. Here, you will master advanced modeling, scene composition, and lighting techniques, including HDRI setups. The focus is on achieving photorealism through PBR materials and accurate light calculation using V-Ray or Corona. The Advanced Professional track is all about rendering and production. You will elevate your work to studio standards, mastering realistic material creation, advanced lighting, render optimization, and post-production workflows. The final deliverable is a portfolio-quality photoreal exterior render. The specialized modules offer hands-on learning across diverse projects. This includes designing detailed interior spaces, mastering hard surface modeling for kitchens, creating photorealistic exterior villas with landscaping, high-rise visualization, and professional walkthrough animations. The capstone projects simulate a real-world studio environment, covering the full production pipeline from brief analysis to client presentation. Deliverables include a full interior project, an exterior project, a walkthrough, and a professional portfolio ready for job applications. Upon course completion, you will possess a comprehensive skill set, including industry-ready, certified skills, and a professional portfolio. You'll be able to create photorealistic renderings and master workflows used in 3ds Max, V-Ray, and Corona rendering pipelines. The architectural visualization industry offers diverse and high-demand job roles. You can start as a junior visualizer and progress to a senior 3D artist or creative head, targeting roles such as architectural visualizer or walkthrough animation artist. Skilled 3D artists are in high demand across multiple sectors, including architecture firms, interior design studios, and real estate developers. Freelance opportunities are also abundant. Salary progression is strong, with senior roles offering 12+ LPA based on experience and portfolio quality. View a showcase of student work, featuring photorealistic renders of modern villas, luxury living spaces, modular kitchens, urban high-rise towers, and master bedrooms. These examples demonstrate the high quality achieved during the master course journey. Admissions are open for the 3ds Max for Architecture and Interior Design Master Course. Transform your career with training focused on industry workflow, real project exposure, portfolio development, and career growth. Contact us to master the art of photorealistic visualization.